All right, now welcome back to part two of our homestead training. And now we're going to focus on creating an image right here. So we've got our title together, we've got our background the way we like, we've got our white page here. And now we're going to go ahead, as I showed you on my other one here, put our picture there in our image. So here's how you want to do that. Is right here where it says image, we're going to go ahead and click on this link here. And it's going to bring up this page here. Of course, you probably don't see all these files here, but these are all the files that I currently have that I've downloaded from my computer. So what we're going to do is go into your computer, and I'll show you how to do that. Go ahead and click on where it says your computer. Now, of course, I don't know where your files are, so you're going to have to find your own picture files. But mine are under my name here. If I scroll down here, picture. And then I can scroll through my files here, and let's say I want to find a picture of, I'll do this one here of my wife and I. So I'll simply just click there. And of course this folder, it's saying that this folder already contains this file. And so I'm going to go ahead and click yes. So there's my picture there. Let's say I want to make it a little bit bigger. Oh, it's pretty blurry there. But it'll work for now. Let's say we pull that picture, we don't like it. Well, we can always just simply right click on it, hit cut. Then I can always go back into my image file again. So I'm going to go back into the image file again. Let's say we want to see what the computer has or the software has. Instead of going to your computer, let's go to the image library. And for all you people that don't want to use your own picture, there are people's pictures that we can use that have given us permission through Homestead to use. So what you want to do, let's say you want to type in business lady. So let's say you're looking for an image of a business lady you want to use. Well, you can scroll through here, and I'm not going to go through all of them. I'm just going to find a few. Let's say we like this one here. I'm going to just click on that one there, hit add, and it's going to transfer it. As you see, it's downloading right now. So there it is. And now look, I can kind of minimize it, shrink it down to the way I want it, and I can stick it right there. So let's say I'm going to roll with that picture. Well, there we go. There's our image. Now, what I want to do is go to the preview to take a look at what we're doing. So now you see, we've got best home-based business, our picture's there. Now keep in mind we have the option to also create a YouTube video. So here's how you're going to do that. Now first of all, when it comes to doing a YouTube, you have to download your own YouTube your own YouTube video to YouTube. So you have to have a YouTube account. It's very simple to do that. Just go to YouTube and it'll walk you through how to do that. But let's say you've already created your YouTube account. Then what you want to do now, see here, we're going to go to where it says content. Click here where it says YouTube video. And now here's our box here. So now all we have to do is actually post a code to this box to make it become alive. And so we're going to type in our URL code right here. So what I'm now going to do is actually go to YouTube and pull us a code. And I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going into my YouTube account. And this is my back office for YouTube. So I'm going to actually click on one of my videos here. And again, you'll have to upload your video to get to this point. And I'll actually put together YouTube for that as well. So I'm clicking on my YouTube.
Hello, I'm the founder of MWP Freedom.
So here's actually a presentation that I had recently done. So now, see this URL code here? I'm going to simply copy this. Go back to my homestead. I'm going to click on the YouTube box, which is this right here. Matter of fact, let me click on this picture and get rid of it. I'm going to move the YouTube box up here. I'm going to paste my code in right there. And now I have the option to tell it, excuse me, hold on. Click back on again. I'm going to tell it to play automatically. So when people go to my website, it's going to automatically show. And right here where it says include related videos, click that out, because what happens is when people drag their cursor on your box, other videos will show up, and you don't want your reader to be distracted by other things. So we're going to go to preview and watch what happens now.
Hello, I'm the founder of MWPFreedom.com. Listen, I created this particular web page because I know.
So now you can see everything's coming to life. We got our nice black fill in the black border here. We've got the nice white clean layout for our template, and we have the best home-based business here. Now we got our YouTube, and so now the next thing we want to do is fill in the body and start typing in our information. So one thing I will suggest, let me check how we're doing for time. Okay, we're still doing good. One thing I would suggest is for you to go ahead and type out everything in advance, maybe on a Word document. So what I'm going to do, and show you how this works, is I'm going to click text here, and normally right underneath your YouTube or your picture here, I'm going to say, go ahead and type in like written by I'll put my name there, written by Marcus Brigham. I like to give it a little jazzy feel there. Again, maybe I want to make my name bold and make it a little bit bigger. So I can do that. Now if I go to preview, you can see how nice that's coming along.
Hello, I'm the founder.
So now we're going to go back. And anytime we want to write a text, I always tell you to click on the text button here. You can kind of see what I'm doing here. I'm going to put the body of my article as far as my letter, what I'm writing there. Now I can actually extend my little template here by dragging it down. See how I'm doing for time? All right. So actually, before I continue on, let's stop here on part 2, and then we'll pick up and I'll actually now show you how to insert your information right here, okay? We'll see you on part number 3.